The Institute of Supply Management, ISM, Non-Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, also known as the ISM Services PMI, report on business. A composite index is calculated as an indicator of the overall economic condition for the non-manufacturing sector. The NMI is a composite index based on the diffusion indexes for 4 of the indicators with equal weights: business activity, seasonally adjusted, new orders, seasonally adjusted, employment, seasonally adjusted, and supplier deliveries. A reading above 50% indicates the non-manufacturing sector economy is generally expanding. Below 50% indicates the non-manufacturing sector is generally contracting. The non-manufacturing ISM report on business is based on data compiled from monthly replies to questions asked of more than 370 purchasing and supply executives in over 62 different industries representing 9 divisions from the Standard Industrial Classification (SIC) categories. Membership of the Business Survey Committee is diversified by SIC category and is based on each industry contribution to gross domestic product (GDP). A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive/bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative/bearish for the